Guys, welcome back to Deescapades. So today I decided to bring you along for my Easter holiday. I came out here Ushago, and as I normally tell you, I love nature. As you can see, I'm surrounded by good nature. It's late, it's around 5-ish. Yeah, and we are having fun. It was a small meetup, family meetup, so that's what we are doing right now. So it's a bit of sports after eating. So yeah, after eating I'm going to put something small about how to prepare something for Easter, or how to prepare something, you know. Okay, you're going to understand from the video. I don't know if it will be before this or after this, but hopefully you're going to understand from the video. Muturas.
Ndio hiyo. Sasa video inakuwaga hivi. Kichwa ndiye huyu sasa unamkuta unaona. Napaka hata yeye. Sababu nimekora.
Marinating. Some soup, some chom. That will cook the motura and the venye.
Mimi ninafaa kuacha nini wademu wachome tuone kama itaiti. Kwa tamu. Hello. Ini ngerima.
Ndio ya kuweka motura.
Hiyo umewasha
the African sausage.
Hebu tuone kama ni kubwa. Huyu ni nani? Yua. Hata bahari kuna kuwaga hivyo, kuna watu wanasema hivyo. Hata bado iva. Buijoya anakuta hakuna.
Mixture of small intestines, meat, heart,
mixture of tripe, at the stomach. And
it's what is used to make the African sausage.
Yeah, the stomach.
It's going to make the African sausage.
Matumbo ndio tripe.
Jube.
Hatukukuja atekee hapa. Kasi. Ona umekaa pande hiyo na mimi pande hii nyingine. Si tuongee. Unaona? Kila walikula kwetu manyama waliondokea. Kani ahorio ni kiria.
Iko moto.
Iko
moto sana. Now it's time to stuff. Ni kustaff sasa.
Uko yori igari. Ndio nakiwa nyama unaligiza kiasi. Hii ni kamdomo ya guka. Uziweke ati na guka katatokana. Unajua sio mishumari au kuvuga nati. Hata nati imeshanga.
Inaenda hapa kwa hii nyungu. So you put it there for a few minutes. So guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for your continued support. I really enjoy it, and I'm very humbled. Welcome back to the Escapades. If you would wish to see such kind of content and more better fantastic content as we move on, I highly recommend you subscribe, you like this type of content as I take you along on my journey. So yeah, so this is the Easter weekend with the Escapades. My cough has not yet gone away, but we are working on it. Yeah, so let me show you how these guys are spending the Easter holiday here, playing tennis. You see, everybody is out and about with their tennis court. Yeah. So that's the typical Easter holiday meet and greet with a few of my cousins. So yeah guys, so I'm not going to talk much, but in terms of nature, this place really cools me. It really makes me appreciate, you know, having the ambience and the quietness of somewhere where there is no too much noise, too much traffic and everything. So yeah, so I'll take you around. Though here it's more of plantations too. These are macadamia, this right here are macadamia nuts. These ones up here, these are avocado. It's an avocado tree. We have over there we also have some more avocado trees, some mango trees and all that, and some bananas. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know what else. I'll show you around. So there is a few cows and goats and geese around, but if I get a chance I'm going to show you. So this is the mango, not the mango, the avocado trees. They're not yet ripe. They'll be ripe at around August. So subscribe, and who knows, I might give away some avocados. So, and as I told you, these are the macadamia nuts. These ones here, just like the ones I shown you in the previous vlog that I have put not long ago. So go and see it. Yeah, but you can see it's all green, which is so nice. The ambience here, it's very nice.